So here we are at Friston Place garden. Is it Friston Place?
It's Friston Place, yes, in the South Downs National Park.
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful garden with lots of this beautiful flint walling in which the garden is set, creating the most beautiful vistas wherever you look, and archways, and it's like a slice of paradise, really, isn't it?
It is, and I see that it was built in the 17th century. And as you say, it's got lots of little sort of garden rooms, hasn't it? So you keep wondering what's around the next corner and what's down these steps. It really is quite magical.
It is, and what I particularly liked here is their use of creepers, particularly a lovely Vetus, I think, that they cover their arbours with and brings kind of shade and character to the different areas. No, it's very, very impressive.
It's lovely. They've got some super little sculptures. There's a lovely stone pig with something growing out the top. There's lots of gold balls which sort of add a bit of razzmatazz to the thing.
And some lovely fountains and spouts of water. No, it's absolutely charming, I would say.
Yes.
Charming South Downs garden, beautiful.
Yes, it's even got its own outdoor swimming pool actually, but we haven't felt tempted yet to try that.
Not yet.
Anyway, so we were here today with our stand for the 3 grow bags, selling the things that are in our online shop, and we're giving obviously a percentage of the proceeds to that to the charity, the Friends of Eastbourne Hospital today.
Yeah, very well worthwhile course, and a lovely day with lovely people, I would have to say.
No, it's been super.